Hello, Wobbly Phil here, and welcome to Wobbly's Weekly Word. The idea here is to have a less structured, more informal kind of video every week, just for channel members, all you fourth Phils. Hopefully you enjoyed the main video of the tale of the Trike of Terror, but there were some extra clips I didn't have the space for, so here's a selection. As with all my videos, you'll find the links to the full footage on YouTube in the description below my videos. Well, I found this clip from an old TV show from about 20 years ago, which features a man who repairs dentures and has an Ariel 3 museum in his shed. And this video appears to be from an Ariel 3 road trip from about 8 years ago. You can really see how spindly, wobbly and potentially lethal the Ariel 3 is in this one. Yup, you wouldn't get me on one of them. Well, I hope you enjoyed those bonus features. Don't have nightmares, and I'll see you later in the week for the main video, which is going to be one of my top trumps comparisons. This time it's the Honda CB750 up against the trusty Triumph Trident. If you have any questions at all, it could be about classic or unusual bikes, or even about me or the channel, pop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. As ever, thanks for supporting 3 Phils, it really is appreciated. This week we got a 7th fourth Phil. By my reckoning, that now makes 10 Phils.